Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the Rate 7. So friends, today I am talking in this video that how can I earn money by online teaching or online tutor. First of all, I can show you that in a website that you can earn money by teaching work from home. There are the 10 million students present in the site in every year. You can teach them and provide their answer, and they upload their question on this site in every subject, various subject, and you can give the answer and you can make money from this site. If you there is another option. If you sold your old document, question, answer, you can earn from this money and money from this site. So friends, so let's go. The site is known as the studypool.com. This is an absolutely legit website. You can see here 8 lakhs 83,000 results are already found, and the people are searching 0.63 second. You can see here earn money by the answering question and sell document. You can make $5,000 per month, and all the are present. So friends, let's go the site, visit to the site, how it works. So friends, you can see here the study pool. It is an website. The all subjects are present in this site. You can see business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, and law, foreign language or version. You can teach in this subject it, and there is a business related to subject are available: humanities, mathematics, all the mathematics related question, algebra, arithmetic, calculus, cryptography, geometric gaps, linear algebra, mathematics, numeric theories. And if you see the humanities, then African studies, American study, all subject are present. You can provide their answer and you can make money. There is a science related question: geology, microbiology, physics, science, zoology, genetics, botany, genetics. This is my one of the favorite subject, and I can uploaded my old document in this website. I can see you at the end of this video. So friend, studypolition.com, you can see here the lot of the people are searching in this site. Most of the student in this various colleges, you can see here, you can see um, the lot of the student. You can see here the 20 million study document are already by the student from the 100 of the universities and 150 countries. In 20 million student are come this in this site, and they provide their question, and various universities upload their question. If you give this question answer, you can make money. You can see here the various type of question provided, mathematics question provided, and you can see you can give this answer, you can make money. I saw you how the people make on this site. You need to become a tutor. First, you click to become a tutor. You can see earn money answering the homework question. You can earn 5,000, sorry, $7,500 monthly. Work from home tutoring student. You can tutor the student and give their answer and make money from this. There are the many reason to make the study pool go source for our online tutoring work. You can see here the highest earning by giving answer. Henry professor make 5 million, and Robert 3 million, agent of 3 million, Casimir 2 million, Pitch Black 1 million. You can see here all the question provided. If you give this answer question, you can make money. What restriction does pack put on the non-believer? This is a history question. You can give your answer, you can make money by $3. There's a geography question. If you give this answer, you can make $10. There is a finance question. If you give this answer, you can make $6. You just need to click here and then give this answer, and you can make. There are so many questions are uploaded in the every day. So friends, one takes, if you click here and this question copy and paste in this Google, and you can give search the answer and you can upload in this site. You can make money from this site. This is an absolutely, there is another tools you can earn money by selling document. By selling documents means হচ্ছে তোমার earn money by selling documents. You can earn $5,000 per month by sharing your old document. You can upload your old document. You can see here the upload document, upload class note, old homework, exam quiz papers in the zip file or the PDF file, Excel file, and it get approved, and then your note uploaded in this site. This site is working on your uploaded document and review, then approve. If you are then approve, you can make money. 10 million students search in this site. You can make $10 per student. If one student view your uploaded document, and you can make $10. If you see 1000 student views in your document, you can make $10, $10,000 for one document. If you uploaded 100 document class note, you can make so much money from this site. This is an absolutely amazing site. You can see here the recent top selling document in introduction of the terminology and body organization study. In 9 pages, you can total sell $4,404 for one document, and time sold three 734,000. This is an absolutely amazing website. And the algebra question, you can make 3,360 from 9 page one document. You can see here the top earner by uploading their document. Alan Mitch 1 million, and the Parmesan 1 million, Chemix 1 million. There are so many question are daily uploaded and make money from this site. So friends, don't worry. If you have no document, you can search in Google and make uploaded in this site, and you can make money. So friends, if you want to make money from this site, you can need to sign up and then give the answer and become a tutor and give their answer and make money from this site. You can see here at the bottom there is so many question are available in this site, and you can see here the selling document. If you sell the document, you can make money from this site. If you earn more money from this site, you can teach online video in the live classes from this student from this make money on this site. So friends, thank you. um, Friends, if you want to make money more money, you can subscribe my channel. I provide daily one video that how can money from work from home or online. So if you want to money online, you can subscribe my channel for this. So friends, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.